Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something absolutely al bacio, delicious like always. And I'm going to make classic Italian sausages with roast potato in the oven. It's easy, very easy and absolutely delicious. And plus is quite cheap dish. I show you what we need. Classic Italian sausages, absolutely delicious. Potatoes, garlic powder, some dry rosemary, salt and pepper. This classic Italian sausages is absolutely delicious. Don't chop too big then because they're gonna cook quickly, okay? Later up to you. Hey guys, always if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel if you can, and check out our website cookingwithanitalia.com. Okay guys, my potato they ready. Another thing, turn on your oven, preheat your oven 200 degrees. Now we start prepare the mix for the potato. Some salt, how much you like, pepper. If you like, I love it, the pepper. Some garlic powder, dry rosemary, garlic as well, just rough like that, olive oil, a nice amount, mix everything. Oil on the bottom, put the sausages inside, our potatoes on the top. If you like the garlic, I like when I'm roast the garlic, some more salt, because the sausage is already salty. Another touch of olive oil. And guys, now we leave this in the oven. These classic Italian sausages, absolutely delicious. And we leave in the oven. Guys, it's halfway, around 15 minutes. Just move a little bit, okay? Wow, the smell is absolutely... Okay, inside again. The smell, guys, is amazing. What I would say is 40 minutes, 200 degrees. And what we're gonna do now, look, potatoes, they very nice. These classic Italian sausages is absolutely super. Absolutely stunning, guys. What I want to say, okay, it's amazing, easy and cheap. This is my roast sausages with potatoes. If you like, you can get up and follow us. Ciao.